Hello everyone! I can tell video games have become a great passion for many of us, for children, teenagers, and even older people. MII has interviewed several people and asked these questions.
I love to play video games. They are a great passion for me.
Of course I do. Video games are fun.
I don't like video games.
No, they are not waste of time. You know, I play once a week and I think this is okay.
I think they are a waste of time and a waste of money.
No, they are not a waste of time at all. It is just about playing responsibly, not forgetting about other things to do.
Games like Tomb Raider and Uncharted are my favorite. They're adventure and action games. They also contain a lot of puzzles, and this improves my thinking process.
My favorite game is Call of Duty. It's a first-person shooter.
I like racing and cars games. Need for Speed is my favorite video game. This game teaches me a lot about cars and driving. Besides, it's fun playing, feeling that you really drive all these different cars that you can't drive in real life.
Yes, children can play video games. There are many good games for children. However, there should be some parental guidance and supervision.
Just be careful. Some games may contain bad content for children.